Guys, it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Today's video is actually going to be new spring products from Bath and Body Works. Y'all excuse my outfit. I have on some Easter pajamas from Walmart because I actually just got out the hospital today. Yay! No. So Friday, I got a real bad ear infection and it actually landed me in the ER and I was admitted to the hospital, and I just got out today. Tomorrow they're actually going to vacuum my ear out to get the rest of the infection out, but it was so swollen that I had to get put on steroids via IV and fluids via IV, pain medication all via IV. Like, it's been a rough weekend and some change, okay? I haven't seen my kids since Friday. So I'm so excited when I go pick them up today. I hope they're excited to see me. I came home, my house was clean, my mom cleaned my whole house. Mom, I definitely do appreciate it, and I know you've been hinting that you want midnight pomegranate, and they have it for $6 the spray at the outlet. So next time I go, I will pick you one up. I am so grateful. I kept telling her, don't clean up, I'll do it all when I get home, because I just don't want anyone else to clean my house. But she did it anyway, and I came home, it was done, and it took so much energy out of me just to put away like the clothes and all that stuff. So I really do appreciate that. Thank you, Mom. And the ear infection was due to, like, last time I washed my hair, I did not do it correctly, and I have very sensitive ears, and if it's not done a certain way, an ear gets caught up in that drum and it gets behind there, it's the game over. And I haven't had an ear infection this bad in 8 years, and I knew what it was when it started because I remember when it happened 8 years ago. But I had an HMO, I had Kaiser Permanente. It was absolutely horrible. It took me 3 weeks to get all my swelling in my face to go down. Like, when I tell you my face was about this big, that's how big it was. And now it's came down quite a bit. It's still really swollen right here, and when they vacuum out the rest of the infection, it'll get that out. And I go back to work on Thursday, and I really need to get back to work. I can't wait. So yeah, that's where I've been. Ear infection and in the hospital. But I have these items, I've been holding on to them for a while, and you guys said you didn't mind if I did more than one Bath and Body Works haul in a month. So I figured, hey, I've been gone for like a couple days, I'd rather bring you something I know you really would like to see. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm sorry if I'm rambling, I just need to get myself together. I promise I'm about to get myself together, okay? So let's get started. First, start off with the new soaps. Oh my goodness, it was just one soap I just had to get. Joanna was talking about it a lot. Carolina Doll 20 was talking about it, and I just had to pick it up. And it's everything they say and more. It is magical. This is the unicorn milkshake. Looks just like that. Unicorn milkshake. Smells amazing, y'all. The notes in it is sugar. Let me hold this one up so you guys can see it. Sugared, just sugared. Okay, sugared, vanilla, and juicy passion fruit. Okay, do you just say it all at once? It's not 3 separate ones. Sugar, vanilla, and juicy passion fruit. Why do they got it all separate on the side? Like it's 3 different things. But it smells amazing. I only bought 2. Y'all, contemplating more if the soaps go on sale for $2.95. If they don't go on sale for $2.95, I won't get more. I just don't find the 5 for $23 as a good deal. I had never found a 5 for $23 as a good deal. I mean, if you use a 20% off coupon, then it becomes a better deal. But $2.95 is really when I do shop for these. But I got these when they got the spend $10 and you got a free item. So I bought 1 soap, and I bought something off the 75% off, and then that got me to 10, and then I got the second one for free. So I was able to get that. So I got that. I did do an exchange, and Nicole No Fire was talking about this, and I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like this soap, but she was just going on how amazing this soap is. So I smelled it and I was like, ooh. So I did an exchange and I got this. This is the Banana Flower Gentle Foaming Hand Soap with cocoa butter. Looks just like that. Don't let the name scare you, because I'm telling you, this smells so good. It says it's fresh banana puree, vanilla bean, and jasmine, and it smells so good, y'all. Like, yeah, the name scares you away, because anything with banana, like, that scares me away. I'm like, I ain't messing with it. But it smells so good. So I got one of those, and I got the lavender marshmallow. I love lavender marshmallow. Absolutely love lavender marshmallow. It smells so good. Yes, it's one of my favorite from the Sweet Shop soaps. So I had to pick up another one, so I have 3 total of these now, and I'm telling you, the soap's gonna sell $2.95. I'm going to get at least 3 more of the Magicals because they smell really good. The next thing, I did go back when they had the $6.50 aromatherapy that night. You remember when I came on the video, I was like, I ain't going back. I don't want no more. I don't want no more. I went back that night because this just stayed on my mind. And I picked up the Stress Relief Sandalwood and Eucalyptus, the tall glass bottle, because the glass bottle is just so cute. And this is my favorite out of all the 3 that came out. The sandalwood, the eucalyptus, it's amazing, and the bottle is so cute, and I know you're not gonna be able to get it all out, and I don't even care. I just absolutely love the bottle. I think it's really pretty, so I had to go back and get it when it was $6.50. I did pick up some more of the, oh y'all, I didn't even tell you I got more of the Easter line. Hold on. Take it back, take it back. I do have more of the Easter line for the soaps. I have the other 2 that came out. Well, did another one come out? I think I already showed you guys the other one that came out. I don't remember, but I got Happy Easter, First Bloom, and then I got Dynomite. So I got Dynomite. Dynomite. That's all I think of is JJ. Dynomite. And this is so cute. This is going in the kids' bathroom. It's cocoa and cream. It smells like cocoa and cream. And it's just something that'll be fun in their bathroom. Got the dinosaur on it, so I got it for them. So I thought that would be cute for them. And everything else actually were items that were only $6, because they were doing the $6 body care sale. And your girl got some of the new because I said if the new went on sale for $6, I would pick it up, and it did. Like the next, like when my video came out, it did, and I did. Okay, I got some of the new ones, and the one I fell in love with the most is going to surprise you, so I'm gonna save that one for last. So the first one from the new line, this is Havana Tropical Vanilla in Cherimoya. Looks just like that. And I'm gonna spray it for you guys. It smells so good, so summery. It smells so good. And I got the moisture 24-hour moisture cream. I don't know why I just didn't get the lotions, because the creams don't last as long, but I'm going to be using them this summer, so it is what it is. I'm trying to see if it gets the fragrance. So the fragrance note is tropical vanilla, cherimoya fruit, tiara flower, bergamot, ocean driftwood, and the packaging is absolutely beautiful. Very lightly scented. Love the vanilla in it. It's a really nice line. So I did just pick up those 2. I didn't get the body wash too. I didn't see the need of the body wash. Plus I was on a limit, because I have to limit myself, okay? Gotta limit myself, so I only got 2. So the next thing I got, and this is my second favorite, is the Bali Black Coconut Sands. This is what the fine fragrance mist looks like. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. I do love the black in the packaging with the pink. I think that's really pretty. So I got a fine fragrance mist. I did get the shower gel in this one, because again, I just really love the packaging. And it smells really good. yeah, it smells really good, and I think in the shower it's going to smell amazing. And I got the triple body cream on this one. So the fragrance notes is coconut milk, tonka bean, jasmine, sea salt, musk, and black sand. It smells really, really good. And I'm not a big coconut person, but I do like this one. I could have went without the lotion. I think the shower gel and the mist is what I like most. This I could go without, so I think I'm gonna probably go and exchange this out and get the one I like the most, and get the lotion to the one I like the most, because I can go without the, yeah, I really can go without the lotion to this. So this is going back. So my favorite one I can actually go back and get the lotion to. So my favorite one, and this surprised me, like I was like, oh my god, I'm in love with this, and I don't really like things with banana, and I fell in love with this. This is the Bahamas passion fruit and banana flower. I don't know what it is about banana, but banana is getting me this spring. I don't know what it is. I love the packaging, of course. It's pink and it smells really good. Oh yes, I'm about to spray some right now on me. Like, I really like this scent. This is my favorite out of all the ones that came out. We all know Waikiki Beach Coconut, that's a repeat. The Lillian Bamboo, that's a repeat. And there's some other one, I don't know, but, and I didn't like it, whatever it was. But the Bahamas passion fruit and banana flower, yes, this is my favorite. And that surprised me because I didn't think I would like that at all, but it turned out to be my favorite. And I got it in the body wash too. And like I said, the Bali Black Coconut Sands, I'm just gonna go ahead and return this lotion so I can go ahead and get the lotion that goes to this, because this was my favorite. But just to give you the notes, it's passion fruit, pineapple leaves, fresh petals, banana flower, and amber. I think the pineapple leaves is why I like this, and the passion fruit. You don't get a lot of banana. It's like a little hint of banana, but not too much. I think the pineapple leaves is why I like this. I really do. Yeah, it's the pineapple leaves. The pineapple leaves with the banana flower. Not banana flower. The pineapple leaves with the passion fruit. Yeah, that's what's getting me. That's what I really, really like about it. So definitely this is my favorite out of the new lines. So that's it, guys. That's all I got for you today with this edition of Bath & Body Works haul. What was your favorite item of what I hauled in? What item are you looking forward to getting from Bath & Body Works? If you order Bath & Body Works online, make sure you go through Ebates and get cash money, because you get cash back on your purchases. I will leave the Ebates information below, so when you sign up, they give you like this $10 gift card just for signing up and placing your first $25 order. And with Bath & Body Works doing free shipping today, no, it's not free shipping today, it's $1 shipping. If you spend $30, you might as well get some of these items I showed you, especially, ooh, okay, rude, stress relief. But the You're Magical, y'all need that. That is so good. And the what's the other one, the Bahamas passion fruit and banana flower, y'all need that too. That line smells amazing. So I'm done rambling. I'm gonna get off here, that way I can rest my ear, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.